Hey, it's Lou. We got another one here. Pressure washer. I don't know the brand of it, but it has a Tecumseh 3.5 inch. It's 1500 PSI. I got this off of Craigslist. As is. It looks like it's a Coleman Powermate. Alright. So, I don't know anything about it. Let's take a few minutes and go through it. First thing I do is check the oil. See if we got some oil in it. Definitely got oil. Okay. Gasoline. It's dry as a bone. Got compression. Stop is on the left. Fast is on the right. It's got a primer. Looks like it's all complete here. Let's throw some gas in it. Hope for the best. I gotta go get my gas can. It's outside. Let's put a little starting fluid in her. Alright, she will run, but she won't run without any starting fluid, I bet. Alright, that means it's going to have a clogged carburetor. We're going to tear it down, put it in a cleaner. We'll be right back. Alright, just got the carburetor pulled off the side of the engine. It's right on the ground down here. Here's what's wrong with it. It's so gummed up, I can barely push it to accelerate. Look how gummed up. I'm pushing really hard, and then it pops. And when I push it back, I gotta put a lot of force into it. That's how you know that this is completely gummed up inside the carburetor. So we're going to finish popping it all apart. Put it into my tray here, and I have the ultrasonic cleaner warming up already. So close, can't deny.
too close, can't deny. Where have you been all my life?
Alright, so with what we got here, we're going to put this through our cleaner. Let it clean for about 20 minutes. And we'll see how it turns out. Put it back. Right, carburetor's cleaned, and we're going to reassemble.
It's a sin, love is blind. What'd you do? How'd you get so pretty? Are you leaving? Are you leaving? I don't need you to know. All the way down in the hole. You push me out of control when the lights are out. You're mine.
Perfect. Alright, now that everything's put back together except for the air filter, let's see if we can get it to start. Gas is on, full speed, primer. Give it a kick. Alright, looking good. Alright, she's a runner. We're going to hook up a hose to it and see if it works. Alright, I have the water hooked up, garden hose. Don't have it fired up yet, but it does have a hole in the one here. So it's something I'll have to replace if it's a runner. Let's get it fired up. Well, it's a runner. It runs like a top. I'm going to finish putting it back together. I'm going to run to the store and find a new hose for it. Other than that, it runs great. This would be a great machine. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and also hit the notification bell. Thank you.